What would life be like in the event that a court, not necessarily me, what would life be like in the event that a court ordered Rita to be returned?
Kill me? It would have to kill me. A terrified dog. Like she is my own child.
Can't put a value on it, right? Very difficult. And courts are governed by the head, not the heart. I should tell you one thing that I'm confident about. Just as I'm confident that you are respectable and good owners and breeders, he loves that animal.
Mm-hmm. Don't dispute that.
We don't doubt that.
Michelle, do me a favour. Will you go and stand with John, please? This is a very, very difficult matter because what I'm entirely confident about, Nusha, is that John loves Rita very, very much. Not just that, but I'm completely satisfied that he is an excellent owner of that animal. I'm equally confident that despite the antipathy between you all and how this has broken down, you, madam, are an excellent and entirely responsible breeder of bulldogs. When you gave John Rita, you did not transfer full ownership. You gave the dog to him on specific terms, which he absolutely acknowledges he agreed to. Amongst those terms were that you would be entitled to have her back for breeding, return to him, and then come back to you in order for the puppies to be born with you. Mm-hmm. In other words, you kept full ownership of that dog. You, as a matter of law, may be entitled and apply for the dog back. By the narrowest of margin, however, I'm not persuaded to do that. And the reason I'm not persuaded to do that is because, as a second part of their application, they claim that they are prepared to forego full ownership in order that you give consideration to their agreement. What that means is, as a matter of law, because you failed to return that dog in the circumstances which you clearly agreed to, the court has to order they have the market value of that dog. I deem the market value of that dog to be £2,000. However, I will not do that unless you are prepared to sign over full ownership of Rita to this family so that this issue never occurs again. Let me ask you, madam, are you prepared to do that?
We are prepared to do that, but we do have a condition
Which
on
is?
that. Well, we've worked for 10 years on this particular pedigree line, stemming from Della. Obviously, we will lose that now. So we will have to start again. So 10 years' work has just gone down the drain. So we would like... We've also already been told that he's got no intentions of breeding her, but I would like that in writing, just to state that he's not going to breed that dog.
Now, that's a very difficult condition, and one that once he has ownership, you can't place on him.
But we have Kennel Club endorsements on this dog anyway.
What sort of endorsements?
She has breeding endorsements on, so any puppies that have come from her can't be registered with the Kennel Club.
Is that because of her face or some other genetic problem?
No, that's what us as breeders do.
I'm fine by that, Judge. I don't want to breed her anyway. I don't want to breed her anyway.
Sir, I'm going to ask you to give an undertaking to this court. Are you prepared not to breed Rita?
I am, yeah. I don't want to breed
and
her.
therefore, consequently, to have her spayed?
Yeah, it's fine by me.
Now you've got that undertaking, are you prepared today to sign over ownership?
Yeah.
Yes.
You don't by any chance have that document here, do you?
Yeah.
Splendid.
So this is Rita's ownership papers. So it's got obviously all her details on. It's got a 3-generation pedigree on there as well. And on the back of it, that's where we signed to say that the dog can be signed over.
And we also have Rita's microchip details here as well.
Yeah.
Would you be prepared to sign it in court?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. I was just a bit worried. Thank you very much.
That's good.
Dad.
can you hand that over?
Want the microchip details as well?
You can do that afterwards. John, you now own Rita.
Thank you very much. It's all I've ever wanted. It's all I've ever wanted.